All right, can you see my screen now? You should be able to see my screen now. I'm sharing the old screen. I'm sharing the old screen now. Yeah. So basically, you can see my screen. Okay, very good, very good. So we stopped at creating. Now we are done with creating our email basically. So the next thing we want to do here is talk about how to set up our wallet. Yes, how to talk about we have to talk about our wallet. So basically, what is a wallet? Of course, you know what a wallet is, where you keep your money basically. So in the crypto space, we have what we call a wallet, a crypto wallet basically, and this is where you put your coins in, your tokens in. In fact, I think now you can save your NFTs in your wallet basically. So what is a hot wallet? Yeah. A hot wallet is basically always connected to the internet. It is practically embedded in the internet. It works with the internet. So it allows you to store or send or receive tokens basically. I've said that earlier on, and it is linked with public and private keys that help you to facilitate your transactions, and also act as security measures basically. So those tokens, those keys you have, are your security keys basically, are your security keys. These are the things that help you secure your wallet basically. Now, I'll talk about cold wallets. Cold wallets are the ones you have installed with your centralized exchanges. So any wallet you have and you don't have the private key to that wallet is not a hot wallet. Okay, I'll repeat myself again. Any wallet you have or anywhere you have your currencies, your cryptocurrency at, maybe in your Binance. Now, when you put in your coins in Binance, if you're putting your Bitcoin in your Binance is not asking you to drop to type in your private key. It's not giving you any private key. It means you technically don't own those coins. Are we following? We don't own those coins. So when you put in your cryptocurrencies, your assets in Binance, in a centralized exchange, technically you're not the owner of those assets. So I'll give you reasons why it is not safe to leave your money on the on centralized exchange. Preferably, you have to put your money in our hot wallet basically. Okay, so we have several wallets here. We have this one is quite popular, the MetaMask wallet. We're going to be opening this. We're going to be using this in this space basically, because this is what we're going to be using. This is the Exodus wallet. This is another wallet that is really, really, really good. I use it myself. And then um we're going to be this Terra wallet, because we're going to be dealing with the Terra ecosystem. Okay, and then this is Coinbase wallet. For those of us in the US, I mean, you could use Coinbase wallet. I think what Coinbase wallet is not allowed in Nigeria for now. So basically, these are the three wallets we're going to be using for us in Nigeria. And if you're in the US, Coinbase wallet, it's also good. All right, so these are the wallets you'll be using. I'm sure you'll be wondering why I didn't put Trust Wallet. Yeah, Trust Wallet is not a hot wallet. Fine, you might have the private key, but I want us to know that putting your wallet on your phones, yeah, putting your wallet on your phone is not safe. Trust me, it is not safe. If you have any wallet on your phone, if your MetaMask is on your phone, if it's on your, it is really not safe basically. Okay, and I will show you what you can do to track your assets without putting your wallets basically on your phones, because that is why I didn't mention Trust Wallet here, because Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet. It's a cold wallet, basically. So now, talking about exchanges, sorry, talking about exchanges, we are also going to be making use of some of these centralized exchanges. I'm sure you already know the popular one, Binance. We also have other ones, crypto.com, Kraken, and Hotbit. So these are centralized exchanges. Okay, basically, okay, I can see a question. Let me open the chat from my end here so I can monitor. Okay, so someone is asking which app is better for crypto setup. Okay, basically we are going to use all of them, and especially for the hot wallet here, we're going to be using MetaMask, we're going to be using the Terra wallet, and then we're going to be using okay, for those of us who are in the US, we're going to be using Coinbase wallet, and then the third one was what? was Exodus. Exodus is not really not compulsory for you if you're not, tech savvy, basically. Okay, for now we're going to be setting up our centralized exchanges. Okay, so before we do that, let me show you how to set up your MetaMask. Okay, so we come to this. I hope you can see my screen. Not disconnected. Okay, I think you all can see my screen. Okay, so let me open a new browser, a new tab here. Okay. All right, so you open your browser if you're using the system metamask.com. I'm going to start with metamask.com first. So let's give it a minute. While it is loading, let me open for Terra wallets. Okay, so Terra.money. Okay, now there's something you need to know. If you're using a desktop and joining us, if you're using your phone, it's fine. I'll talk about the mobile version of this wallet. But remember, I said keeping your wallets on your phones or your mobile phone is not safe. And I mentioned security when you're coming into the crypto space here. So you need to be careful about security. So, but no problem. I'm sure most of us are joining in with our phones and all of that. So I'm going to talk about how to access this wallet on your mobile phones, but security is in your hands. Okay, so let's quickly add up TerraStation wallet. Yeah, so TerraStation wallet has two versions here. We have the Chrome extension, which is this. You can see it on my screen. The let me zoom in. Okay. So you can see TerraStation wallet. You can see it's TerraStation. See, it has an extension to your Chrome browser. So we need to add it to your Chrome. So what it does, it adds the wallet to your Chrome. Okay, so we'll talk about that. Okay, so while it's adding to our wallet, let's come to MetaMask. I don't know why this MetaMask is not opening right now. Okay, I think MetaMask. Let me just search it like that. Okay, MetaMask. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have the TerraStation wallet added. So there's a step you need to take now. We're going to come up here to the top right corner of our browser and click on this jigsaw puzzle here, extensions, and then you see TerraStation wallet here. So we need to pin it to you're going to pin it, and then it shows up here. So anytime you need to access your wallet, where probably you're on an exchange or a protocol, you see your wallet here, so you can just access it here. So when I click on it now, it shows me, okay, it's going to show me a new tab, and you can see I can create a new wallet, I can recover wallet, I can import a wallet, and so on and so forth. So that is one aspect of the wallet. This is the extension, Chrome extension version of this wallet. So let's move to MetaMask. So for MetaMask, it's the same process. We are going to download the Chrome extension. You can see we have the Chrome extension, the Chrome version. We have for the iOS, we have for the Android. Once again, keeping your wallet on your mobile phones is not safe, basically. But if you're not using your system, your laptop, your desktop, fine, you can download the MetaMask on your phones. But trust me, it's not safe. So we download the Chrome version. Okay, let it download. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, scroll down, install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so here and again, see the same process for adding Terra wallet, and then we add to Chrome. Okay, so add extension to Chrome. So this is how we do it. We are going to add all these wallets to our browsers, because these are the tools we will be using basically to access some of these decentralized exchange. Don't forget, we're in the DeFi world. Basically, we're going to be dealing with DeFi. So yeah, we're going to be needing some of these wallets basically. So the same process, you click on this puzzle here, and then you pin your MetaMask also. So now I hope you're following. I'm sure by now we all know how to add the MetaMask and Terra wallet to our extensions. So if you are following up till now, please type a 2 in the chat to let me know if I'm not spilling out too much information at once. So if you're following us up to this moment, okay, let me see, there's a question. Yeah, two. All right, very good. People are following. That's good. That's good. Exactly, exactly. Someone is asking, so we will be adding our wallet to our browser logged in by our Proton Gmail. Yes, your Proton mail. Most of this you'll be using signing up with your Proton email. So anything if you're coming in as your if you're coming in as a newbie in the crypto space, the first thing you're going to be doing is creating a Proton mail. I said it in the beginning, Proton mail, yeah. So you keep that aside. Then you come to create your wallet. So now when you're creating your wallet, okay, let's start with MetaMask now. Let's start with MetaMask. When you're creating your wallet, there are some things I need to explain to you guys. I have a wallet, yeah. I have a wallet, so I can import it basically. So if you've created in the past and you're kind of like you want to download this exchange, this okay. Someone's asking a question: why Proton email? Proton email is the safest and the most secure email in the world. Yeah, and it is built on cryptography. Basically, it is built on the blockchain, but it's encrypted, so it is safer than all the Gmail bullshit. Sorry, mind my language. Yeah, because as at some years back, there was an issue with Gmail. I mean, some of the emails were leaked, and all of those things. So that is just it. So your Proton email is the safest and the most secure email you can have. Okay, what if the laptop crashes or you sell to buy a new laptop? When you sell your laptop, your key, that is why I said your key. So don't worry, let us okay, you know what, let me just finish telling you so that some of your questions will be answered while I'm talking basically. So now let's get back to the class. Um we're trying to create a MetaMask wallet. So we've added it to our browser. We have Terra wallet, we have our MetaMask. So let's create a new wallet for MetaMask. Okay, so you click on create a wallet, you read up all this. Yes, never collect, you see it's giving us instructions. Never collect keys, addresses, transactions, or any personal information. It's telling you what the tech support won't do. It will never collect your full IP address, and MetaMask will never sell your data for profit. Okay, so you click on I agree, and then you set up your password. Okay, so let me just set up a random password. Okay, okay, I have read, and okay, so you create. So what MetaMask will do is it is going to give you a seed phrase. So what is going to give us is going to give us a seed phrase. Okay, it's giving us an instruction on how to use. Okay, so now let us read the instructions for the sake of the newbies, please. What is the secret recovery phrase? It is basically the seed phrase here. It is a 12-word phrase. For some other wallets, they give you 24 words. Some they give you 32 random words. So these are random words that are generated by the internet, basically by the blockchain, by cryptography, basically. Yeah, and it is called a key, a seed phrase. So how do I save my secret recovery phrase? So I want you to see this seed phrase basically as your BVN. For those of us in Nigeria, when you're creating your account in the banks, they give you a BVN that you can link. So basically, if you travel from Lagos to another state and you're creating a new account, all they ask you is for your BVN. So that is your seed phrase in this scenario here. It is like your BVN number. So this is what you will use to connect your wallet. So for someone that is asking if your laptop crashes, fine, and you get a new laptop, so when you are going to log in your MetaMask, it will ask you for your seed phrase. So the moment you add up your seed phrase, everything goes back. Whatever you have there before will still be on your wallet, basically. So you need to. That's why it's saying you need to keep it safe. So when you're getting your seed phrase, you need to store it in the you need to write it down essentially. And when you're writing it down, don't write it down carelessly, because the moment anyone else has access to your seed phrase, they can access your wallet. Forget about your password, forget about your fingerprint ID. The moment I have your seed phrase to your wallet, I can access that wallet, because I can basically get your seed phrase, open a new laptop, type in my seed phrase, and whatever funds you have in your wallet, basically it's mine. I can access it and then send it to another wallet address. So please guys, when you're opening your MetaMask, please keep your wallet and your seed phrases safe. Probably write it in a safe deposit box, and then write it in a very safe, or probably your journal, and keep it very very safe where you keep your house documents and all of those things. Because guys, we're talking about your money. Please, we're talking about your money, so we need to be safe. And the last part and phrase there says, never ever share your secret recovery phrase, not even with MetaMask. Probably if you have a problem with MetaMask and someone on the tech support is asking you, okay, send your seed phrase, MetaMask will never ask you to send your seed phrase, because if someone asks for a recovery phrase and they are likely trying to scam you or steal your wallet funds. Okay, so now that we understand how important these seed phrases are, you can see. So right now I'm on stream, so basically I'm not going to use this wallet at all, so I can open. And so these are the 12 random words. These are the 12 random words. So I'm going to write it down. I'm going to write it down. Trust me, I'm not going to use this wallet. So I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just scrap this wallet after the whole class and all of this. So I'm going to write down um the wallet address, the seed phrase basically. So this is what we are going to. So I'll show you why we need to write it down. I'll show you why you need to write it down. Okay. So don't write it down. I'm not going to use it again. Okay, just give me a minute writing it down. Okay. So now that I've written it down, save somewhere in my jotter. Okay, so I'm going to click on next. Means that I have written it down somewhere safely. You notice how it's asking you, please select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. So because I have written it down, I can go back to my jotter and check in what order they are. So I'm going to click on it. Pledge, where's pledge, humble, used, behave, and limits. Okay, so we confirm. You click on confirm and all done. You have your MetaMask all set up. So this is your wallet basically. I have 0 Ethereum basically. So probably in our subsequent class I'll teach you guys how to add other networks like the Avalanche network, the Phantom network, and the BSC network to the MetaMask wallet. But the purpose of this class, we're just going to be opening our wallets basically. I'm going to just be opening our wallets. Okay, so now you set up your MetaMask basically, so you can close this tab. So when you click on the extension right here, okay, okay, so you can see your wallet at this top left corner basically. So we have our MetaMask opened up. So let us circle back to our Terra wallet and create our wallet. So for me now, I'm not going to create a new wallet because I already created a wallet for this class. So I'm just going to, so if you've created a Terra wallet before and probably you bought a new laptop and you're trying to access your wallet again, instead of clicking new wallets here, you click on recover wallet. Is it recover? I think it's recover. Or is it import wallet? Okay, no, I think it's sure. I think it is, sorry, I think it is import wallet. If you're importing your wallet, okay, import wallets. Okay, if you're importing wallets, it's going to ask you for, of course. Okay, sorry, so it is recover your wallets. Okay, so let me quickly access my wallet. And again, this is not my real wallet. I just created this for the purpose of the class, so please do not take this seriously. This is just fake wallet that I created. So now it is asking me, guys, so I want you to pay attention to this. It is asking for what again? It is asking for mnemonic. It also means my seed phrase, because I have written down my seed phrase somewhere else, somewhere safe on my journal. I can access it. But guess what? Imagine I didn't write it safe somewhere. Probably I just wrote it carelessly on some sheet of paper, and then I missed it, and I have probably lots of money in it, and something happened to my wallet. Probably um I misplaced my laptop, or I misplaced my desktop, or something just happened and I can't access my wallet again, and I have forgotten my seed phrase. Trust me, there is nothing in this world that you will do. The money is gone forever. So far you cannot remember your seed phrase, the money is gone forever. If you email tech support, the same thing they will tell you is your seed phrase, and there is nothing they can do about it. So please guys, this is the importance of our seed phrase. Though I talked about security in this space. So security is very very important in the crypto space basically. So I don't take anybody serious when I am in a discourse with the person, and I mention security, and it's like, oh yeah, I just created the wallet, and then I'm fine. No, if you're coming in the crypto space, you know we are going to be dealing with a lot of money. In fact, if it's not a lot of money, with the correct mindset of your security, because in future we are going to be handling a lot of money, your security is key basically in this crypto space. So please guys, keep your seed phrase correct and safe somewhere you can always have access to. So right now I'm going to write down uh my seed phrase, because I've written it down somewhere. So I'm copying it from my uh, journal right now. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me. Okay. Uh, okay. Yes. Okay. Reduce. Okay, so guys, notice how this one is not 12. I'm giving 24 words instead of MetaMask. Um we're given 12. So it varies for different wallets. So any hot wallets you're creating, Coinbase, Exodus, MetaMask, they all have seed phrases. Some come in 12 words, and some come in 24, some come in 32 basically. But the 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 major thing is keeping it safe essentially. So yeah. So now I can enter numeric. Okay. Okay, so now add I can now add my wallet, and you see it is going to show it is going to so you can see it is asking me to connect. It has found my wallet because I have put in my seed phrase. So the wallet I created yesterday for the purpose of this class has been found on the blockchain. So I connect my wallet, and voila, everything is here basically. So we have our wallet here, and this is our Terra wallet. So we can close this tab, we can close this tab, we can close this tab. Okay, so we can move back to. So now we have our two wallets on the top side of our browsers. So these are the tools we'll be using for the purpose of this presentation. For the Exodus wallet, an Exodus wallet is just an offline wallet. You don't need to add to the extension. You can download it. On your desktop. There is the mobile version, but guess what? Um, Putting your wallet on your phone, or your mobile phone, is not safe. Okay, so you come here, you get the Exodus now. When you ask to, it asks you to. This is the desktop version. So click here to download the desktop version, and then you can get it on your iOS or your Play Store. But I always say it again: keeping your wallet with your money on it is not safe. So those are the hot wallets that you can use in the crypto space essentially.